Hey guys, I'm doing another video today about what I received from Wish. And if you don't know already, I get a ton of different mailings from Wish. It doesn't all come in one swoop, but yet you still only pay like nothing per item, which makes me a little bit nervous and sad about the whole thing. I'm just being totally honest with you. So if you don't shop from Wish, it's like an overseas website. Everything is super cheap. Everything I look to buy is pretty much in the $1 to $2 range, except for this number here. I took a chance and I bought like a hammer suit. I think I am going to put it on for you guys and show you. It's sort of like a summer jumper, but it comes out on the side, and I am going to do the hammer dance as soon as this video is over. I'll pop it in. This was like $5, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this for $5. And then I think at a certain point, like it's like free shipping once you spend a certain amount of money. My son's like running around underneath me. Okay, so I don't remember. This is also the other thing is things take weeks to come. So you buy something and then it takes like 2 weeks to come. So then when it comes, because you are an addict and an impulse shopper, you literally have no idea what you ordered. So you also, again, feel bad about yourself because you're like, I don't even remember buying this. I literally don't need this. But then you're all excited because you're like, yay, I shopped. And what did I get myself? Thank you. Okay, so let's get through this. Actually, I think I might have showed you this the last time. I hope I'm not double dipping here. Or maybe I showed Liam, and he was like, Mom, like, what is this? And I was like, I don't know. But apparently when I saw it on Wish, I needed it. So my thought was a little nightlight for my son when he needed to sleep. $1. I mean, why wouldn't you buy that, right? These are not things that you are, it's not going to change your life, but it will make you smile. That's how I look at Wish. And again, these are, the way I look at it, it's like stuff that you could find at the dollar store with your kids, or just like cute things that, I don't know, unique. I'm looking for unique stuff. Oh my gosh, is this like the same thing? Oh, I guess I bought 2 of them. I mean, this was so amazing that I needed 2 of them. So I got one in pink. I guess in my brain I wanted a girl and a boy one. I don't know. Like I said, this happened so long ago that I can't explain myself. I go on Wish and something takes over me and I see dollar or under $2 and I just go for it. I go for it. I don't know why. I don't know what is happening, but apparently I need these things. Okay, USB cable. I break these things like it's nobody's business, so I bought them. I usually get them on Amazon for like, you know, $4, $5. This was a lot cheaper, so I figured why not while I was placing my order. Oh, sunglasses. So I found sunglasses on Wish. Let's see what these look like. These are very like Ray-Ban-esque. So remember, my criteria is really cheap. I mean, they don't have the prices. I mean, I would wear these. Is there a sticker? Oh yeah, right here. I mean, I might have paid $3 for these. There's definitely nothing tremendously expensive on my roster here. They don't tell you how much anything is, but this is not bad, right? I mean, I would pick these up from Target at a minimum. Gosh, I wish I knew how much everything was. But to run around, if you're running around, you want to keep something in your bag. That's pretty awesome. Whoops. All right. I saw this. I know what this one is. This is like one of the ones that I remembered. I had this, you know when you're getting out of the shower and then you see those commercials of the girls? Hold on. Let me see if I can do it. I don't know how to do this. But you know the girls, I can't do it. I don't know how they do it. But you're supposed to put this on your head. And then you're supposed to be able to wrap it. No, I literally don't know what I'm doing. Nope. Need a tutorial. This is like one of those things that you wrap your head You're supposed to be able to put your hair in this, and then it's supposed to wrap, and then here's the little button, and here's the back of the button, and then you're supposed to be able to walk around, and then no matter what, your hair is soaking wet, but it stays in place. I can't even button it. It stays in place because the button is in the back with this, and you have like this little turban thing going on, and you're not using one of your really long towels, and you're so on trend and smart. And you know, it's like, I don't use a real towel for my soaking wet hair out of the shower. I'm too smart for that. I use this thing. I don't even know what it's called. So this is supposed to be the thing that when your hair's soaking wet, you just wrap it around and then sort of like tie it in the back, and it snugly keeps your soaking wet hair in the towel. Oh, Natalie! Yeah. Come here. My daughter just got out of the shower. Let's see if she can figure this out. Natalie, come here. Let's see if you can figure this out.
Figure what out?
This is a towel. You ever see one of these? Let's see if you can figure it out. Like, you're supposed to put it on your head and then, like, put it under. Let's see if I can get you. Like, go under.
What?
Yeah, and then, like, wrap it.
Wrap what?
I don't know. I actually don't know. All right, so while she's trying to figure that out, I'm going to move on. We'll keep her off camera because, honestly, I just don't know. All right, so then I got... this is supposed to airtight Ziploc bags. They're supposed to seal bags that are open.
Oh my God.
So here we go. Like, here's a bag that's open. Let's see if we can seal it. Am I supposed to do anything special? I don't know. Apparently it's supposed to work. I mean, unfortunately, I don't speak Chinese, so I don't know how to use this.
Do it. Do this.
Yeah.
Do it.
Doesn't look like there's like an on switch.
What is that?
Am I supposed to do something here? This is a joke. Is there any English on this? Okay, wait.
Is there any English on it?
It needs.
Is it supposed to like attach?
It needs batteries.
Or something? Wait.
Guys, this was a sham. I think I need batteries. Okay, I don't know. Note to self, don't buy anything that needs batteries. So that one was Illusions of Grandeur. Oh, wait, my daughter thinks she has it. Yeah, like that. So that's exactly right. That's exactly right. So that's how it's supposed to look. So you come out of the shower and you're like, I don't want to waste my real towel. There you go. So you can walk around town with that. All right? Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl.
What is this?
That's like a. That's like
you have to like wrap your hair in a bun. It was hard.
That was hard.
It was
but we're gonna get used to it. And then these are sunglasses I got for like $3. Try them on.
Me?
No, the other person standing behind me. Okay. They look good, right?
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with them.
Look, are you ready? So you have to put your hair up and then make it like a bun. And then get the part with the button on. And then do this on it. And then get this. And then find this.
And then button it. Oh, here's another thing that you could try while you're here.
It worked. What is
If
that?
you want to clean my house.
No.
Yes. You put these little slippies on. There's 2 slippies.
Look.
Okay, keep that on. Keep that on. Here, put these on. Come on, it's funny. Put these on your feet.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Put
No.
them on. Put them on.
Why?
Because you can clean my house.
I'm not cleaning it.
Put these on and watch what happens. Walk around. Hold on. Let me take you for a ride here. And now walk a little on the wood. And just swish your feet. Swish them. That's what I'm talking about. Do you see that? It's
nothing happened.
No, you're supposed to, like, if you just swish your feet, like, just swish a little.
No.
So basically, the premise of that, I love that you're like my little test subject here. Hold on, let me get this back on. The premise of this is you get your kids to walk around the house. Instead of slippers, they're wearing these little things, and then they can clean your house. I'm going to get 5 pairs of these because this is like the greatest thing since sliced bread. And then at the end of the day, you wash them. I don't know if they're microfibers or whatever. I don't know what the story is because, again, there's no instructions on anything. But
is it actually not in English?
Yeah, no, nothing is in English.
What is this?
No, these are not from Wish.
No, what is this?
That's the other thing that I got. And then I got you this, a little light to read. I don't know. And then
it's
I think that's it.
It's supposed to be like hot or something?
Yeah, I think that needs batteries.
It's like a stapler.
And these things are not from Wish, but I'm going to show you anyway because, oh, is there anything else? No. All right, these things are not from Wish, but I'm going to pop them in this video anyway because I love these companies and I don't have enough to do a secondary video. So they have Mabel's Labels comes with customizable labels to go on just about anything. You can do like unicorns, rockets, you name it. You can do fundraisers for your school. And you could put them on water bottles, lunch boxes, the back of jackets. I sort of love everything about this. You can customize the design at mabelslabels.com. And they sent me these samples, by the way. And if you go to Mabel Hood online, you can on social media, you can find them there. And then these are some books that my mother gave us that I am obsessed with. These are Design, Animate, and Create. These are for computer graphics. I don't know where she got them from, but these are different ways that you can get your kids interested in all types of social media, animation, design, software programs. This is designated for teens and tweens, or probably younger, not really teens, I would say tweens. But these are people who want to design, animate, and create computer graphics. And prior to becoming a blogger and post my first original career coming out of college as a business analyst, I taught computers for many years, K through 8, and so I do love this whole concept. So design, animate, and create. This is something that is near and dear to my heart. Staying in the same vein, quantum computing for babies, so you can definitely have a little conversation, get the juices flowing in the right directions if you want to get your kids into this type of science. And, you know, obviously they're really young, they're not going to understand the concepts, but you can have them sort of exploring and getting used to photos and words and things like that, vocabulary in this genre. And then last but not least, Scientist, Who Do You See? By Chris Ferry. And this is just again, getting conversations started with children who maybe would never, ever have any discussions about these type of people in your life. And I really, again, love the whole concept of opening the minds of children at this age to things that they would never, ever have any indication or sort of access to before without sort of these fun tools at their hands. So these are really 3 great books that my mother received. She handed them down to me because obviously what is she going to do with these? And she's a blogger too, so in a way they were gifted, but they just weren't gifted to me. I just thought they were really great, and I thought maybe you guys would want to take a look at these. These are not from Wish. Like I said, these were gifted in one way or another to some member of my family, so I wanted you guys to take a look at those. This is probably my big win from Wish. I have a couple of more things. I mean, I guess I'll do one more. This is not Wish. Again, I'll do one more bonus. It might be from Wish. Let's see. I think, actually, I might have bought a dress. What is this? I don't know what this is. Love. This is totally random. I have no idea what this is. Why would somebody send me this? Brides Nola. Brides Nola sent me a love sweatshirt. I have to look into more what this is about. I'm not really sure. I might have missed an email to help explain more about what this is about. Love the font, but I have to learn more about what this is in relation to. So that is my last thing. I have something from e.l.f. Cosmetics, but that is, I'm not going to talk about that here. I like to do e.l.f. on its own because I'm a beauty girl and I like to test out their products. I don't have a lot of makeup on specifically because I want to talk about e.l.f. On its own. Any more wish? I don't think so. 19 products down. All right, guys. Till next time.